So here's a piece of cast iron kettle that we dug at the fort, and trying to do some preservation work here to it. We already heated it in the toaster oven for a couple hours at about 350. And it's already done with the dremel tool, it's already done a great job of removing the rust off this side. This is just very satisfying, actually. Look at that. Comes right off. And now there's the finished product after getting it all de-rustified as much as possible. Put some feed and wax on there, and it looks great. It's a little shiny right now. It'll dry overnight, and it'll get just perfect, I think. It's hard to see underneath. I don't want to pick it up again. Really came out nicely.